got 96.67 aggregate, and best of 5 I got 97.2. I feel extremely honored right now, and I would like to thank my friends, my family for supporting me, for being there all the time for me, and I would like to also point out the immense support that I've also got from Nayaks, because without their support I really wouldn't have reached to such great heights.
बेपना मन जिद्दी हो और जुनू की आंधी हो, दिल में हौसला भर के हाँ बढ़ते जाना है।
मुस्कुराती जिंदगानी चाहिए, आज कुछ ऐसी रवानी चाहिए, सारी दुनिया अपनी हो जाती है, बस एक उसकी मेहरबानी चाहिए। जोरदार तालियां उठें। Applause 2018 celebrating success.
Good, no doubt about it. I'm not taking away the credit. I'm not trying to tell that you didn't work hard. You worked extremely hard for it. But we don't want you to stop here. We want you to do much better in life. Not just much better in life.
A big round of applause for
हम नदी लहरें तूफान सागर की गहराइयाँ, हम चले जहाँ कहीं रास्ता हो।
The coaching has been excellent, and the guidance and advice and counsel has been really wonderful. I think she has been hand-holded, and coupled with her own inputs, I think she has really done well. And I think we would really recommend Nayaks for the torchbearer in this particular form of education.
I've scored 98% in my SSC exams, SSC boards. I studied in Nayaks tutorials as my coaching classes, and I think Nayaks tutorials is the best education institute in India, and it is very cooperating, very coordinating, hard-working.
हमें छाना है, जिंदगी से मांगना है हिस्सा हमें अपना।
I scored a 95.2% with a centum in Sanskrit. During the end of the year, the question papers helped me prepare even better and score this result. So I thank Nayaks for the help they provided us. Thank you.
I scored 98.8% in SSC boards. Obviously, Nayaks tutorials has helped a lot. The teachers, the staff is very good. They have taken lots of efforts for this 98.8%.
Please understand that life is like that. It's like riding a cycle. You keep on pedaling. You have that balance. The moment you stop pedaling, the speed is down, the balance is gone. Balance is gone, you're down on the ground. And when you're down on the ground, nobody will look at you and nobody will appreciate you. They will only sympathize you. And life is not about gaining sympathy. It's gaining appreciation. It's gaining that success.